You gotta hear how a Kailua wahine with drive, passion, and immense talent is sharing her art with the world. You've probably seen her work around the Pai'aina, her bold colors, clean lines, and just celebration of Pacifica influence, shapes and curves. It's just beautiful, sister.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna be honest with you. Lina Girl and I are fangirling right now. We cannot believe that Shar Tuiʻasoa, the creative force behind Punky Aloha, is in the house with us. And this is so amazing because you actually you're in the middle of this art installation and you stop down and you can see paint on her shirt.
Yeah, she's in her working gear.
Thank you so much for joining us. Now, you've worked on so many organizations, from grassroots companies like Manoa Chocolate. We love their stuff, to huge companies like Sephora, Apple, and Disney. But tell us a little bit about the wahine behind Punky Aloha. Owai Koinoa.
What is there to say? I'm Shar Tuiʻasoa. I am born and raised in Kailua. I'm just like a local girl, public school girl. I went Kailua High School.
Me too.
Hey, right on. Yeah, and I've just had a love for art my entire life. And it's been the only thing I've ever wanted to do. So I went to art school after I graduated, and over the course, I probably studied for way longer than I should have, but eventually I started working on my own and just kind of followed my passion, and here I am now.
And you did all of this while being a mommy?
Yes, I entered into art school as a single mother with my daughter, and I left school just after having given birth. So like, being a mother is such a huge part of my art journey. Yep. And I mean, I'm really proud of that. My kids kind of keep me going and keep me in check also. But yeah, absolutely. Being a parent and just being a family woman is like really important to me.
I love that.
Yeah.
Now, Davey started off about talking about that installation. You're literally in the middle of an art installation right now at Ala Moana Center. Can you tell us a little bit about it? Because I know it's Punky Aloha and Aloha.
Yes, I'm doing the Aloha side, so I'm really grateful. So this is a job that's coming to me through Powwow, which is now a creative agency. It used to be the Mural Festival. Now Kamea Hadar has kind of turned it into this creative agency, and he's curating all these mural opportunities. And they approached him, they requested me, and I was like, cool, I didn't know there was an Aloha sign. There's an Aloha sign in Ala Moana. It's big and it's really welcoming, and everyone likes to go and take pictures in front of it. And they just wanted like a Punky Aloha refresh.
Nice.
Beautiful.
You're putting the Punky in the Aloha sign. I love it. Can we get Shar on? I think we have a tight camera on you. I just want you to just like show your hands to show that you are actually working on this thing. Look, she still has the paint on her hands.
Gosh.
That is so awesome. I love this. Now, Shar, you also host a scholarship to support Kanaka Maoli and Pacifica creatives. Why is that important to you?
Oh, I think it's super important just to celebrate the Pacific Islander rich history that we have in storytelling. And something to note is that we're super underrepresented in a lot of these storytelling spaces. And this is our power. This is something that we're so good at. And I just remember growing up and not seeing a lot of people that looked like me in this space. And I think now is the time that everyone's really hungry to hear what we have to say. So it's really just kind of to encourage people not to be afraid. And if you just get like just a little bit of encouragement for someone, that's like enough to really change the course of your life. And that's what happened to me. That's why I was able to study, why I was able to really pursue visual storytelling, is because I pursued scholarships and grants and had teachers telling me that you can do anything. And I just I hope to inspire people in that way and encourage more Pacific Islanders to feel comfortable in the storytelling space.
Oh, geez.
Well, sister, I tell you what, we want to be able to support that scholarship fund. We want to be able to support your artwork. Can we do that through the website?
You can do that through Kukolu, is who Kukolu is a nonprofit that I partner with. They encourage they help Indigenous and Kanaka Maoli business owners kind of thrive, and we partnered together. So if there's anybody who wants to contribute to the scholarship, because this is all just kind of from me, like from my own pocket. So if you want to contribute and help bring more Pacifica storytellers out to the forefront, then please do.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Kukolu or punkyaloha.com. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sister. Please come back anytime. In fact, you can do the wall for us behind us.
Guarantee.
Yeah, we need an upgrade over here. All right, thank you. Shar, thank you so much. All right, and mahalo, Lina Girl. Again, today is National Poultry Day, so this is our Yuso Akamai question. How many chickens are in the world?